Today we're going to be making smoked cream cheese. This is a delicious appetizer that is great for holidays, tailgates, any event you need a little snack. Make it sweet or savory. We're going to be doing examples of both of that today. It's going to be delicious. Today we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to cook this as a family, and at the end we will provide a full recipe screenshot. Smoked cream cheese. This is a delicious and simple appetizer. We're going to go ahead, we're going to season all sides of the cream cheese blocks, put them in the cast iron, score, season again, put it in the smoker, 250 degrees for like 2 hours, and then when we're done and we pull them out, we're going to be able to put on some different sauces. So we have a cherry sauce, cherry preserve sauce that we're going to put on. We also have a savory buffalo rub that we're going to do. So it's going to be delicious. So are you ready for this?
Yes.
All right, go ahead, start seasoning that up. Great job here. We're going to go ahead and put them in the pan and then get the other side going.
Got it.
All right, so we have our cream cheese all seasoned up and scored. I have some cherry preserves that we're going to put in this melting pot, and we're going to put this on the smoker to get warm and to get a little bit of a smoky element to it as well. So let's go ahead. We'll put this on probably the last hour, but we'll get it all prepped now. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Okay. That looks great. All right, we got our cream cheese blocks scored and seasoned. We got our cherry preserves ready to go. This will be in there for 2 hours, and this is 1 hour. Where do they need to go?
Let's go!
All right, let's go. Smoked cream cheese. So go ahead, grab your piece and try it. So we love this as an appetizer. We have both sweet and savory iterations here. We have one block with pulled buffalo chicken. We got the other with the warm cherry preserves on top that you girls are digging into there. So how did you like that?
I like the cherries on it.
Yeah, the cherries
Yeah.
in?
It's very good.
How about you?
I like the rub.
Let me try this. That is great. I love the rub, the smoky flavor coming through, how creamy it is. This is a wonderful dessert here. How do you like it?
I like how green it is.
So it's a great sweet appetizer as well. So let me clean this up and then we'll take the rest inside. Thank you for joining us on today's episode of DadBQ. Remember, who's the Q?
DadBQ! Boo boopy doo, it's DadBQ. The family-friendly cooking show.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there is something you would like us to teach you to make, or if you have a delicious dish that you would like to potentially have featured on DadBQ. We are building a family-friendly cooking community that we want you to join. First step to joining that community, like, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at dadbq.com.